Welcome to this video on identifying web conferencing platforms and recognizing their basic user interface features. Let's start by looking at a drill poster. Can you identify which icon you would toggle if your team could hear you but not see you? This review shows how local ventures use these digital tools to reach a global audience, making professional communication smoother. Imagine you are in a meeting, but there is no sound. How can you safely resolve this? The chat box or raise hand feature are great options. Let's define three key terms: user interface for software interaction, configuration for device settings, and troubleshooting for fixing faults. Consider the story of Sayani, who successfully led an online presentation by preparing her workspace and ensuring her family's privacy. When Sayani encountered an audio issue, she remained calm, remembered her training, and checked her system settings to find the error. By following a simple troubleshooting checklist, Sayani corrected her input settings, ensuring her meeting was a complete success. This summary highlights Sayani's journey from a messy workspace and connection errors to a professional and successful presentation. Reflect on these questions. How did Sayani prepare her space? How did her team help? And how did she fix her audio issue? These questions explore the importance of interface layouts, safe configuration practices, and the value of digital etiquette. This abstraction matrix summarizes the steps. Locate icons, map your hardware, and always prioritize safety and etiquette. Now it's your turn. We'll divide into teams: architects, radiocasters, and the configuration crew to practice these essential skills. Use this rubric to assess your team's performance, focusing on precision, troubleshooting, etiquette, and timing. Finally, complete this short quiz to test your understanding of interface icons, benefits of planning, and troubleshooting techniques. Now, let's test your understanding with a short quiz. Read each scenario carefully and write the letter of your choice in your notebooks. For your assignment, review a household smart device to identify video application features used by your family, and write a 3-step home safety guide focusing on camera positioning and privacy. To conclude, remember that mastering these settings ensures we become responsible, honest, and safe digital citizens. Keep your digital areas secure and class dismissed.